What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. We are here at the Horsepower Factory. We've got a car here that we built out of HPR. Now, what we have done to it is it has a Paxton 2200 SL. Headers on it, boundary oil pump gears and crank sprocket with a new forward oil pump housing, and Daryl is inside tuning it as of right now, and we're getting ready to make a rip on the dyno. See what it does. Too bad.
That's not shabby at all.
Much better. Everything look better in here?
Yeah, running about 14, 15 degrees of timing, running perfect.
Ran perfect. 700 horsepower.
Dead on?
Dead on, 700. Alright guys, so 700 horsepower, like I said, long tube headers. Actually has BBK long tube headers. I wasn't sure about it the first time I've ever installed a set, but wasn't too bad. Fitment is pretty decent. They are catted, high flow cats on it. Paxton 2200 SL with a 3.6 pulley with oil pump gears and crank sprockets and FIC 1000 injectors. So he's planning on going E85 down the road, so he went FIC 1000.
18 up manifold.
Yes, 18 up intake manifold ported by AFS, so that's on there. We've been getting quite a few of those manifolds lately ported by AFS, and I'll tell you, the quality of their porting is really nice. I really like their intakes. So go check them out. But I think he bought everything through
Beefcake.
Beefcake, yeah, bought everything through Beefcake Racing. So anyway, guys, the first run on the dyno was a little over 600. It pulled 3 degrees of timing. We wasn't sure where he got his fuel at, so we went and got some Octanium, which that actually turned out to be pretty good. I like Torco and Boostane, but if you're in a pinch, you can get Octanium unleaded from AutoZone. It actually works. Put a little bit in the tank, just enough to get it off. As you heard him say, it wasn't really high on timing. It just gave the timing back that we wanted to see it run on what it normally does on 93. But anyway, guys, 700 to the wheel. And he does have mismatched tires. The tires were on here were just about bald. He's got another set of wheels and tires, I believe, that's going on it, so he didn't want to buy brand new tires. So we actually, Chris had this set, so we actually put them on for him, so it'd have something decent on the dyno. Alright, so he made a couple adjustments to the tune. We're going to run it one more time on the dyno. May put down a little more horsepower, not sure, but we're going to run it one more time on the dyno and see what it does. He had a few things to tweak in the tune, and then once we're done there, it'll be good to go. 715 when he made that adjustment on the tune, and we hit 724, 528 torque. So yeah, I think it got what he wanted to. As always, guys, be sure to go check out Wengerd Performance. I'll put a link down in the description. Check him out for tuning. He's become quite the big tuner here lately. You used to be my little secret. Now you're out there for everybody.
It's crazy how that happened. Yeah, it was me and you working together all the time, and finally now it grew.
I remember that one thread on Mustang 6G. Everybody was like, Wengerd, and somebody come on and was like, Speed Addict 731 told y'all guys a long time ago.
It's crazy what all changes, man.
Yep. So guys, hit him up if you want some tuning, and of course, as always, hit us up if you want any kind of work done on your Ford. We can take care of you here at HPR. And if you need some dyno or some Chevrolet work, be sure to hit up Horsepower Factory. Even some Holly EFI stuff. He's actually going to be tuning the Holly EFI car that the 95 GT we're putting the Holly EFI on. So,
And this one.
And this one they're putting the Holly EFI on right now. So y'all do work on a little old school stuff.
Very little.
Always great work out here, guys. So if you need anything, hit us up and we'll take care of you guys. That's gonna pretty much do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.